In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of paper trading in TradingView. If you've been using TradingView's paper trading feature to practice your strategies or test ideas without risking real money, it's important to know how to properly log out when you're done. Logging out helps prevent accidental orders, keeps your workspace tidy, and makes it clear when you're no longer in simulation mode. First, make sure you're on the TradingView chart screen, because that's where the paper trading panel is located. Look toward the bottom of your screen for the trading panel area. If you don't see it yet, there's usually a small tab or button labeled something like Trading Panel that you can click to open it. Once you open this panel, it will expand and show the different broker options and connections available, including paper trading. Now, in that lower area, find the section that shows your active paper trading connection. You should see something that clearly indicates you are connected to paper trading, often with your virtual balance or connection status displayed. Next to this, there will be a small arrow icon, usually pointing down or to the side. This arrow is your access point to more options. Go ahead and click on the arrow beside the paper trading label. When you do this, a small menu or drop-down list will appear. This menu contains several options related to your paper trading account, such as account settings, reconnection options, and importantly, the logout option. From this drop-down menu, look for the option that says Logout Paper Trading or something very similar. It should be clearly labeled as the action to disconnect or log out from your paper trading session. Once you find it, click on Logout Paper Trading. After you click, TradingView will disconnect your current paper trading session. You should see some kind of confirmation that you are no longer connected, such as the paper trading label changing status or the balance and order buttons becoming inactive. This is your indication that you've successfully logged out. If you ever want to start paper trading again, you can simply return to the same panel, select paper trading, and reconnect. But for now, that's all you need to do to log out safely and cleanly from paper.